My name is Josh Maron. I'm the Harrisburg Regional Forester for PPL Electric Utilities. After trees and limbs are removed by the tree crews in maintained areas such as backyards or mowed areas, we are chipping those limbs and are leaving the larger debris that's greater than 6 inches in diameter. In non-maintained areas such as wood lines or wooded areas, we mulch down that debris to create habitat for local wildlife. For more information about the work that we're doing to improve reliability, visit pplelectric.com/line clearing.